welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. 30,000 lightning strikes hit the UK, with roads flooded and landslides disrupting trains. Roads have been flooded and a landslip has disrupted trains as the UK was hit by tens of thousands of lightning strikes during thunderstorms. It followed the hottest day of the year on Friday, which saw a high of 29.4 degrees Celsius in Sandtown in Suffolk. The Met Office had issued an amber weather warning across the southwest, northeast and north of England, Wales and much of Scotland, which expired at 6 p.m. on Saturday. It said there had been more than 30,000 lightning strikes during the night, with the vast majority over the sea. The Met Office had warned some areas could see 30 to 50 millimeters of rain within a few hours, while a few locations could reach up to 80 millimeters per hour. At the same time, strong wind gusts and hail accompanying the storm had the potential to bring roads flooding, difficult driving conditions, power cuts and flooding to homes and businesses. The Environment Agency urged the public not to drive through floodwaters, reminding drivers that just 30 centimeters of flowing water is enough to move your car. A further yellow warning was in force across eastern half of Northern Ireland from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday, while a similar warning had been in place across the southeast of England overnight, following an amber alert on Friday. Kent experienced heavy rainfall overnight with flooded roads in parts of Dover, while a fire in residential building in St. Leonards-on-Sea on Friday night was likely caused by lightning strike, the East Sussex Fire and Rescue Service said. Devon received 5 flood warnings overnight from the Environment Agency, alongside 46 flood alerts in the southwest, southeast and Midlands. These are no longer in place. A further 6 flood alerts were placed by Natural Resource Wales in South Wales, but these have since been lifted. National Rail said a landslip had stopped all services between Exeter St. David's and Ockhampton, with the weather conditions meaning it was not safe for engineers to reach the site in the afternoon. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.